Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. I'm excited today, being 19th of June 2023. All right, so welcome to our weekly analysis. Once again, this weekly analysis is sponsored by our broker FBS. All right, if you don't have account with FBS, please just click on the link. All right, and then register. Just check on the description of this video, you will see the link there. Click on the link and then register with FBS. It's a well-regulated broker with good accounts. There are a lot of good accounts they have. We have a zero spread. We also have low spread. FBS have one of the best spread accounts. I mean low spread accounts, zero spread accounts. So you can open account, trading account with FBS and trade with FBS, and fast and deposit method. All right, so click on the like button. Please like this video, ensure you share this video. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed. If you don't subscribe, if you are not with this channel, please subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. All right, and ensure you share this video. So once again, welcome to this weekly analysis. Let's look at what the market did last week. We analyzed last week starting with gold. We usually like to start with gold. We analyzed last week that gold should bounce from this place and then go up. You can see that for the past 2 weeks we have been expecting gold to bounce and then still move down because gold is on its way down, and I told you to be careful about this buying. All right, this long position, because gold could fall at any time. We are anticipating that gold should fall up to this point. All right, so you can see what is happening. So right now I'm no longer interested in buying gold. I need to be sure to wait to see when price will break this particular structure, and I will sell gold. So if dollar will rise this week, which we are expecting dollar to rise this week, then gold should be on its way down. So if dollar eventually rise, and then there will be a massive fall on gold. So we are expecting to see when gold will break this structure. So you better be careful if you're buying gold, where gold price is right now. Price has been consolidating, so though there could be a little move up before this sell, that's why we need to be careful if you want to trade gold. So we sold gold last week and we made 250 pips last week, so that was amazing. Go and check our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram. Dubiss is DUBISS, Dubiss Forex Academy. You will see the amazing result. We made 250 pips, though it was not sent to the free group, but it was sent to our paid group, and then we uploaded the results on our free channel. So we made 250 pips from that sale. So this week we have to watch to see what will happen if price will go up first before price will eventually fall. All right, so congratulations to those that took that trade, that sell position. So congratulations. So let's go to Euro CAD. All right, you can see Euro CAD last week. I told you that price should be bouncing from here and then go back to this point. You can see that price did exactly what we analyzed. Guys, you need to join. You need to make sure you watch this video, and then you need to join our paid group. Look at it, 200 and something pips made last week from this analysis. We told you that price will bounce from here, and price have actually bounced from this point, and over 200 pips made from Euro CAD. All right, so for this week I'm still expecting price to touch at least this particular place before you can sell. All right, because we are believing that price should touch 61.8, but we need to get a good entry point. So anytime you see price around this region, you can now enter for another sell. At the moment price is trying to go down, but this place I'm not interested to do anything here. We need to wait, either price continue to go down, break here, or price touch here before we can sell. All right, so congratulations to those that took this trade. So let's go to USD CHF. All right, USD CHF, we normally like to use daily time frame so that we'll see, we project and see what is happening. All right, you don't need to go, for you to go to lower time frame, you just to go and look for opportunity, look for entry points. You need to first of all look at the higher time frame. What is the market saying on a higher time frame. For example, D1, H4 minimum, H4, D1, and weekly. Look at what's the price saying. All right. So when you look at the overview of the direction of the market, then you can go to lower time frame to now look for entry points. Okay. So look at it right now. We told you that price will go down from this point, right? That you should look for opportunity to sell, and you can see how many pips that price moved down. Last week we told you, look at what we draw last week. You can see it's still there. So price moved close to 200 pips last week, and at the moment we have started buying USD CHF. You can see I'm currently on profits, and it has been sent to our paid group. On Friday we started buying USD CHF on Friday. You can see where price is right now. This place is a key level, is a demand zone, right? This is a demand zone where price is right now, and that's why we started buying again. That's why we started buying USD CHF. What is happening? Sorry, my system. Yeah. Alright, so you can see where price is now. So we believe that from here price will bounce up again. So if you are just seeing this analysis, you can join the trade. Alright, it's still fresh, though we started buying on Friday, but we still believe that this week price will buy. So USD CHF is on its way back upwards. Right, this is how market is being, this is how the analysis is being done. So for those of us that are actually saying, how do you know the direction of this market? It's by learning. You need to first of all learn. Invest your time in learning this act of trading before you start to look for profits. Learn and you will earn. So this is our direction for this week. All right. So we are buying USD CHF, so you can join the trade. So by congratulations to those that took this trade from this point to this point. So that's over close to 200 pips made from last week. So let's look at AUD USD. All right, AUD USD. All right, AUD USD actually moved up as analyzed, but it got this point and then broke this point. I told you that once this place is respected, we'll be selling again. So here was not respected, it was broken. All right, but the buying actually did well from this point to this point, so it did well. So for those that entered the trade, congratulations. But it has broken here. So for this week, what we're expecting now is price to fall from this point. All right, this is where we're expecting price to fall, because that place is a supply zone. All right, this place is a supply zone. I love to trade with demand and supply zone. All right, this is a supply zone, so we're expecting price to move down from this point where price is right now. So price have touched under resistance, so we're expecting the price to go down. All right, so this is what we're expecting. So you can join the trade if you're just seeing this analysis. Price, we're expecting price to move down where the price is, so you can take your entry. All right, I entered last Friday, I've already closed that position. I'm taking another position right now after this analysis, so you can join the trade. All right, NZD USD, NZD USD. All right, you can see that it's moving towards our direction, just like analyzed. We told you that price will move up, and then maybe around this area we start selling. All right, so where price is now, so there may be more movement upwards before price will fall. All right, so congratulations for those that took this trade from this point. All right, and then you can see where price is right now. So this week just a little push upwards, then after that price will fall. All right, we are already buying that trade, and I think we've made over 150 pips from when we started buying from around this place. So this is where the price is. So price could still push up more before price goes down. So let's go to Euro USD. Right, Euro USD. Let's go to daily time frame. All right, these are analysis for Euro USD. All right, remember we're telling you that price should move up, and then from there price fall. So you can see the bullish movement on Thursday, last Friday. Let's look at this price action and see what we can do with it. Last Friday, here we see the price action, and today is Monday the 19th of June. So with this price action, I'm expecting price to move down from this point. So meaning that dollar should be strong from today, right? Dollar should retrace because dollar has been falling, and what I'm expecting from the market from Euro USD this week is a downward move. Alright, so though I prefer not to trade Euro USD, I prefer to take USD CHF, which is more clear, but still Euro USD should go down, so you can join the trade. GBP USD, alright, GBP USD, I'm already selling GBP USD because I believe that price should fall. GBP USD should fall. I'm seeing a harmonic pattern. Okay, let me delete these previous ones. I told you when I draw this harmonic pattern X, A, B, C, D last time. If you watch our previous video, you will see it. And I told you from this point price should go up, but price didn't touch the D point, but price actually did went up from this point. So you see that most time, more than 90% of the time, we are correct on the direction of the market. So, but those that are waiting for the entry point for price to touch and miss the entry point. So let's delete this. Let's delete it. All right, delete these previous ones we draw, and then let me show you that there is another harmonic. I have automatic harmonic pattern that I created that I can just drop on my chart. So, but what I'm seeing a harmonic pattern. Let me drop it so that you see what I'm saying. Let's delete all these old ones, and then let me show us that I'm seeing a harmonic pattern here. So let me just put it for us to see that there is a harmonic, Kali pattern. So you will see that there's a harmonic for a sale. Alright, you can see it. There's a harmonic for sale, alright, and it's on daily time frame. So let me tell you, use your Fibonacci, draw your Fibonacci from this previous low to this high so that you see where you should book your profits. So we're expecting price to come to this 38.2, right, which is this place is a key level. Remember we identified it before. So and that's exactly 38.2, and then we have 61.8. all right, so this is what we're expecting. So I'll leave it, I'm going to draw it and leave it this way, right, for us to see what will eventually happen. By next week when we come back, we'll see what has happened. So at least 38.2, let's leave 61.8 first, but at least this week let's target around 38.2 Fibonacci retracement of this movement from this low to this high. All right, so you can join the trade if you are just seeing this video. Okay, so USD JPY. Remember last week when it was selling, I said no, price should touch here before I could sell. All right, so what is happening right now, price could try to break here, or from this particular point price should go down. So all right, based on what we have analyzed, we believe that JPY has been very weak because of you know that JPY, instead of increasing interest rates, they are even reducing interest rates. So even last week the interest rate was -10. So of course the pair will be weak if interest rate is reduced. The currency rather will be weak. So JPY has been weak. So that is why every JPY, like GBP JPY has been going up, Euro JPY has been going up, then USD JPY has been moving up. Alright, so this week there could be a retracement. JPY could retrace. Alright, JPY could buy this week, and if JPY buy this week, then of course USD JPY will fall, Euro JPY will fall, GBP JPY will fall. Alright, I sent GBP JPY to our pay group last week and we lost that trade because JPY, we made profit from the first one, 100 pips, and the second one we lost 100 pips, so meaning that is 0. 100 pips minus 100 pips is 0. So we are waiting to see when JPY will become strong, and then we place trade accordingly. So for now, USD JPY, if you're an aggressive trader, you can take entry because where price is right now is a supply zone. All right, otherwise wait for a price action before you take action. So let's go to USD CAD. USD CAD, I'm already buying USD CAD. Yes, it broke down, but I'm seeing dollar being strong today, and on that note I'm buying USD CAD. So on a daily time frame, let's look at it on a daily time frame. All right, this is our support zone, which seems as if price have broken here. So all right, if price break, there should be a retracement. All right, so we could see price bounce from there, because if you check very well, you can see that this place is still look at it, you can see this point is still a key level. Look at it, so look at it, yeah. So this place, we need to be careful where price is right now. Price could still buy from here, and that's why I send it to my pay group to buy USD CAD. So you can buy USD CAD, guys. You can buy USD CAD. There's the possibility of price rising from there. All right, so you can buy USD CAD. So on a higher time frame, price could move from this point. So let me draw it. By next week, we'll come back and see if we were right or not. So price could rise from here. All right, this is what I'm just anticipating on USD CAD. So you can join the trade. All right, so let's go to Euro GBP, Euro GBP, Euro GBP. Let's go to higher time frame. This is D1. Let's make our chart clean. Euro GBP, I'm seeing price bouncing from this very point. I'm seeing price bouncing from here. All right, so even though it seems as if it's broken, but there's still every possibility that price will bounce from here. There's what we call fake breakout. All right, so price could still bounce, and that's why I'm still buying Euro GBP, and you can see my stop loss, and you can see my TP. All right, so I'm buying Euro GBP, so you can join the trade. I'm still anticipating price to move up from where it is right now. So for GBP CHF, you can see that price has been moving and is very close to our target, which is this point. So there is no entry point for now. So those that took the entry point from this low, from this particular place to this high, congratulations. So we are still expecting price to touch here. So for now, there's no entry point for CHF JPY. Then for GBP JPY, all right, GBP JPY, I'm still seeing a price action. All right, so this is that previous one I told you that price should come down here. Of course, we make profit from here, but when price move up, try to sell, we lost that one. So we made 100 pips and lost 100 pips on GBP JPY. So for now, for GBP JPY, I'm seeing a pattern, harmonic pattern on daily time frame, and that's why I've entered the trade. I'm believing that price should move down. So for GBP JPY this week, I'm hoping that JPY will retrace. JPY will be strengthened as in retrace, and then if JPY retrace, then GBP JPY will fall, Euro JPY will fall, all the JPY pairs will fall. All right, so let's wait and see what will happen. But I'm already on the trade. You can join the trade. GBP JPY for sale. Though I've not sent it to the pay group because I need to be sure. I just entered this as an aggressive trader. If you're a conservative trader, you need to wait for a price action on daily time frame, a rejection on daily time frame before you take your entry. So let's see what will happen today. If price will be rejected today, then you can take your trade. But if you want to join me as an aggressive trader, as in to take this trade, then you can join with instant execution and then manage your risk. So Euro JPY, same scenario for Euro JPY. If JPY become, of course, you can see we were anticipating that price we respect here, but it was broken. All right, you can see that price have moved massively up, so there should be retracement. So that's what we are saying. There should be retracement, but you need to wait for price action to give you an entry point or lower time frame. So for JPY, there should be retracement at least back to this particular point. So this other ones didn't work, price broke it. So this week, so there should be retracement back to this point. All right, so let's watch and see. You can wait for price action on daily time frame as in rejection for you to take your entry. All right, so for CHF JPY, same scenario. There is a price action on daily time frame. A harmonic pattern on daily time frame. So we should be expecting price to fall from this particular zone here. All right, so So this is what we're expecting. So we need to delete the previous Fibonacci and then check. Okay, let's take the Fibonacci up to this point because it didn't respect that place. So let's take it to where price is now. So if this place is respected, then we should sell up to this point. This is 38.2. all right, so this is where we're expecting price to get to 38.2 because of the movement. Price has been moving massively since. So then this is 61.8. so this should be the second point where price could get to, right? So 38.2, 61.8. so let's watch and see. But me, I'm already on the trade, right? So let's see if JPY will be strengthened today or this week. If JPY will become at least we have some strength this week, then we'll make good profit from JPY pairs. All right, finally let's look at the trade that I sent today. For those of us in the paid group, I sent this pair just to show you what I've seen. You can see price made up, come down. So I'm just believing that price should go down from this point here, should be respected, that this is a retracement of this this is a retest rather of this price action here. So that's why I sent the trade, and it's already hit our TP1, and we are still believing that it will go down more. So meaning that if you go down more, at least TP2 and TP3. So our target is actually final target is 2.0400. so we are believing that price should go down, all right, and then to form a pattern X, A, B, C, D. You understand? So that's what we're expecting, 2.0400, which is still very, in fact, look at where we are talking about, 2.0400. all right, this is the daily time frame. So 250 pips we want to just collect from this pair, and we've already collected 50 pips, going to 100 pips. Yeah, so very soon to touch 100 pips. All right, so thank you very much for watching our analysis today. Please, like I said, this analysis is powered by FBS, all right, sponsored by FBS. FBS is our broker, and I can tell you they have amazing platform, right? The accounts are very nice. Zero account, zero spread account. You can open an account with FBS. You can open the zero spread account. Even the standard account, the spread is very low spread. So FBS is a very good broker. So you can open an account. Click on the link. Check the description of this video. You will see the link for you to register with FBS. Register with our link, and then we will assist you with any questions or anything that you need. You can join our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram. Join us on all other social media handles, Dubiss Forex Academy. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.